Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to stop notifications from Zedge. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface. And first of all, let's go to our profile. At the top right next to the bell icon, you will see the profile button right here. Just click on it, and this will open up from the side. What we need to do is simply go to account settings. The button's right here above logout. I'm gonna click on it. Then a new tab will open up. That's account management. In the first tab, account settings, you'll see something like your username, date of birth, and right here, the main thing of our focus. Right here it says, I would like to receive updates and recommendations about products and special offers by email from Zedge. Well, we want to stop the notifications, so let's simply toggle off this checkbox. And let's set on save changes. And guys, that's it. That's how we stop notifications from Zedge. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.